Hey guys! Creative Psychology here. The Direct Selection tool is one of the most basic tools in Adobe Illustrator. It is used to modify anchor points. In the next 5 minutes, you will master the usage of this tool. So without further ado, let's get started.
Now, starting with the Direct Selection tool. It is located beside the Selection tool in the toolbox. This little gray arrow over here is the Direct Selection tool. The keyboard shortcut for the Direct Selection tool is A. So press A on your keyboard to select it. The Direct Selection tool is used to modify anchor points. So, let's select this square, which I had previously drawn. By selecting the square, or any shape for that matter, using the Direct Selection tool, you are actually selecting all the anchor points of that shape. Now you can modify these anchor points as per your wish. To move an anchor point on the square, just click on it and then start dragging it. You can place it wherever you want. You can select an anchor point by clicking on it. But to select multiple anchor points, just hold Shift on your keyboard and then select as many anchor points as you want, like this. So, I have selected these 2 anchor points. You can start moving the selected anchor points by dragging them on the artboard. These anchor points work like the joints in our body. You might have noticed that when you select an anchor point, you see this little circle below it. This is used to adjust the curvature of an anchor point. If you drag this, you will notice that your anchor points start becoming a curve. To understand it better, let's draw another figure. So let's draw a square here. If you select the whole square, then you can adjust the curvature of all its anchor points at once. Like this. So this is a rounded square. Let's play around with this circle over here, using the Direct Selection tool. If you click on this point, then you'll see the handles. Using these handles you can adjust the curvature of these anchor points. In this way, you can modify the circle. Also, you can move these anchor points. To restrict their motion to 45 degrees, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. As always, the Shift key helps you to be squared off and perfect and exact. So, let's draw some simple shapes using the Direct Selection tool. Let's draw a circle first. So, this is a circle. By modifying this circle, we can draw some pretty nice shapes. So now we will modify this anchor point. To do it, extend this up a little bit. This shape looks like an egg. Now let's keep this egg aside and draw a new shape. Let's draw another circle. Now, we'll extend this circle a little bit. You might have noticed these pink lines while I'm extending the circle. They sort of snap the position and help me be straight. These lines are called Smart Guides. If you don't see them, then go to the View tab and make sure that the Smart Guides option is checked. So, what we want to do now is that we want to draw a water droplet using this little ellipse. For that, we have to convert this anchor point into a sharp anchor point. We can do that using the Anchor Point tool. If you don't know about the Anchor Point tool, just click on the I button on the top right corner to watch my previous video. So, let's select the anchor point tool using the keyboard shortcut, Shift+C. If we click on this anchor point, you will notice that it has lost its curvature. So, this is our water droplet now. Let's adjust this handle a little bit to make it look a little more natural. Like this. So, this is the water droplet. I know that these shapes are very basic. But this is a tutorial for beginners.
So, I hope you have learned how to use the Direct Selection tool in Illustrator from this video. Tell me, which feature of the Direct Selection tool did you like the best, down in the comments below. We will be posting more short and easy to understand Illustrator tutorials in the near future. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. And finally, thanks for watching.